Writing style informative. Have you ever wondered if you're eating too much salt? I'm here today to talk about how a high-sodium diet might be affecting your body and what symptoms to look out for. First, let's get into why it's crucial to monitor your salt intake. Sodium, the main component of table salt, is essential for muscle function and fluid balance. However, too much of it can lead to some serious health issues. So, how do you know if you're overdoing it? One of the most common signs is bloating and swelling. This happens because excess sodium in your bloodstream pulls water into your cells, causing them to swell. If you often feel bloated or notice swelling, especially in your hands, ankles, or feet, it might be a sign that you're consuming too much salt. Another symptom to watch for is frequent thirst. Consuming too much salt will make you feel thirstier because your body is trying to dilute the high sodium concentration in your blood. If you find yourself reaching for water more often than usual, this could be a clue. High blood pressure is another major indicator. Sodium can cause elevated blood pressure levels because it holds excess fluid in the body, putting extra strain on your heart. If you have high blood pressure, it's even more essential to watch your salt intake. You might also experience frequent headaches if your salt intake is high. These headaches often result from the increase in blood pressure that sodium can cause. So, if you're getting headaches more often, it might be time to look at your salt consumption. Lastly, a less-known symptom is stomach discomfort. High salt intake can lead to an increase in the production of stomach acid. Over time, this can cause discomfort, and in severe cases, it might lead to ulcers. So, what can you do about it? The first step is to be mindful of your salt intake. Processed and packaged foods are major culprits when it comes to hidden salt. Start by reading labels and choosing low-sodium options. Also, try adding flavor to your dishes with herbs and spices instead of salt. Regular checkups are also crucial. If you're experiencing any of these symptoms, it's a good idea to discuss your dietary habits with your healthcare provider. They can help you determine if salt is the culprit and guide you on how to cut back. Remember, moderation is key. Maintaining a balanced diet not only helps manage your salt intake, but also supports overall health. So next time you're about to sprinkle that extra pinch of salt, think twice. Thanks for tuning in. I hope this information helps you make healthier choices. Stay well and keep an eye on that salt shaker.